Hey guys, Randomosity here. So good to be back with you guys. This first video of 2019. Recently we passed 1,000 subscribers on this channel. Thanks to you guys. It is super exciting. I'm hoping to bring you guys a bunch of videos this year. Several how-tos hopefully, some travel related videos. And we're going to kick off the year with this small hike my brother and I did in Colorado the other week. So I hope you guys enjoy. And hope you stick around for what's to come this year. So it's beautiful, slightly chilly morning. We're out here. We were just my brother and I were taking a road trip, and we saw this red rock back here on the edge of off the outskirts of Loveland, Colorado. And so we decided we're gonna hike up there. We got our JBL speaker so we can get some good vibes, a couple cameras, and the drone. And we're going to see what it looks like from up there. So we thought we'd bring you along with us.
Yeah, I mean, even though the rock may be good enough, it's all cracked, and what's really wedging it in there's just some sand. Like with that one there, it just had some sand that just fell out and the rock displaced really quickly.
Here about 80% of the way up Pancake Rock, or as some call it, and we saw these bird holes, like for nests or something, in the side of this kind of sandstone over here. So I figured I'm gonna throw up the drone for a couple seconds, see if we can get you guys a closer shot, because I mean it's looking right cool. Quickest and easiest way to turn it off. Because I mean, I can like right land it on my hand, then the sensors start going, so you gotta have your hand steady or else it's gonna take off. Which I've done that before, but I've gotten too lazy. So just grab it and just wrangle it out of there, you know, like that. So it started raining down out here a little bit. It's very lightly, but it's a little chilly out. So we're not gonna go as far as we thought today, but hope you guys enjoyed. Till next time, keep rolling with the random.